Is your garage door refusing to close? This might be due to malfunctioning sensors. Safety sensors, vital for proper door operation, can become dirty, misaligned, or simply stop working, leading to frustrating malfunctions. If you're facing this issue in the Huntley area, don't hesitate to call us at 0409-774-111. Our team of qualified professionals is ready to clean, realign, or replace your garage door sensors, ensuring your door operates smoothly and safely once more. Call 0409-774-111 today for fast, expert garage door repair service right at your doorstep.